Let's listen to Sneha's story. Sneha was very happy teaching at a school. Her career was growing. But Sneha always felt some void. She knew her ideas were not heard by the management, although she tried her best to solve the problems of her students. Her students considered her one of the best teachers. Their parents always sought her opinion and suggestions. One day, an incident made Sneha think again of her decision to stick to the same institution while teaching there. But she did not know whom to talk to. What do you think Sneha should have done at this point? Seek help online. Talk to her trustworthy friends. Talk to her family for their opinion. Well, Sneha browsed the web for an alternative career. She searched for how the teachers were transitioning into a different career. While browsing, she found that many teachers were transitioning to EdTech, educational technology, but she found out that she would have to leave her town and move on, which would have cost her money, time, and energy. But Sneha decided to venture into educational technology. Was Sneha right in her decision to move on to another town? Why? Yes, changing place gives exposure with a new experience. Money is not everything. No, changing place brings instability and wastes time and energy. Yes, changing place and job was necessary when Sneha was not happy. No, Sneha should have looked for another job in the same town and saved some money for herself. Sneha found her aha moment when she transitioned into a different career. She liked working in the EdTech field. During her work, she recalled how she had a desire since 10 years to learn about instructional design. She dreamt of being an instructional designer. Gradually, she started training herself by taking online courses, watching free and good videos, reading blogs on designing learning, and following some renowned people from the instructional design domain. Do you have something to add in here? Your suggestions are welcome. Thank you for watching.